Good morning, this is Sam Gurung from Beta to Limited bringing you this morning's market report. Day today is the 20th of August. Let me touch on the developments that's been happening in the markets this week, and let me start by looking at how it has affected equities. Well, equities are down. Asian shares have been down every single day this week, in fact down for a fifth trading day. FTSE 100 fell 1.9% yesterday, dramatically down. In fact, it's trading at its lowest level since Jan, and S&P 500 has been trending downwards, all on back of the uncertainty we're seeing in China at the moment. In fact, Chinese equities are down to its 2 weeks low at the moment. Why? Well, people are concerned regarding the slowdown in China at the moment. Now we know Chinese central bank took drastic measures last week by devaluing yuan. What that means is with yuan going down, we may see capital outflows increasing in China as Chinese investors, Chinese sort of high net worth institutional sort of clients look to put their funds elsewhere. And on back of that, the uncertainties in China, the slowdown in Chinese economy is expected to continue. What's not helping is obviously slowdown in commodity prices at the moment. We've seen copper fall this morning, oil also down dramatically, down over sort of 50% since sort of last year. So overall, uncertainties in China, and most importantly, question mark in regards to whether the Chinese central bank will be able to control the situation in China, is causing or making markets nervous at the moment. So back of that, equities are down dramatically across the board. Now, aside from that, what also caused a bit of sort of volatility in the currency markets yesterday evening was the Federal Reserve minutes of the meeting, which actually were released earlier than expected, surprising the markets. Now, the minutes gave no indication in regards to when the lift-off will happen. In fact, the officials were fairly uncertain in regards to the interest rate hike. What they said was they don't have enough information at the moment to really sort of, give them a guide in regards to interest rate hike. So on back of that, the lift-off in September, the probability of that has actually gone down. Before the Federal Reserve minutes, the probability of interest rate hike in September was 50%. Now it's at 36%. So on back of that, we saw sell-off in dollar. Dollar actually depreciated in value against the euro, pound, and major sort of counterparts. This morning it has also come back slightly, but yesterday we did see dollar weaken dramatically. And finally, to touch on what's happening in Greece. Now, Greece this morning received funds for from the emergency sort of lending. It received 26 billion euros, which got approved in Germany overnight and basically rubber stamped this morning. From that 26 billion euros it's giving 10 billion euros to its banking system, or pumping into the banking system to recapitalize the bank, and rest will be used to repay debt payments it owes to IMF, ECB. In fact, it owes around 2.3 billion euros to ECB, which will be looking to repay. So on back of that, although markets were expecting it got confirmed, and Greece now is, for short term at least, liquid. That's it for now in regards to what's been happening in the markets. Thank you very much for listening to this morning's report. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.